आज रिलीज कर रहे हैं ऑडिट मैनुअल ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टेट टैक्सेस डिपार्टमेंट.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू. आप लोग प्लीज़ टी के लिए ज्वाइन कीजिए हमें यहाँ पे.
तो Government of Jammu and Kashmir has approved the excise policy for 2022-23. It has been notified. It has been put in the public domain. It is broadly a policy which is similar to the policy of the last year. There are certain objectives of the policy which have been defined very clearly in the policy. The basic purpose is to generate greater social consciousness and awareness about the harmful effects of liquor, alcoholic beverages and drug abuse. We want to promote transition from high alcoholic content beverages to low alcoholic content beverages. We are trying to rationalize the number of taxes and duties and other levies to optimize revenues for the common good. The revenue that we generate from excise policy is used for the developmental programs in the UT of J&K. The objective is to check bootlegging and smuggling of liquor and narcotic drugs, and also to the consumers to provide them a choice of liquor brands and a level playing field. Certain changes have been made in the policy of last year. For example, there will be e-auction of the vents JKEL2, and if there is inadequate response or no response for certain vents, there will be a re-auction, and if there is again not satisfactory response, then there will be a limited tender for the remaining locations. The earnest money deposit has been increased from 5 lakh to 7 lakh. The minimum guaranteed revenue has been increased by 10%. And the minimum reserve bid has been increased from 5 lakh to 10,000 to 10 lakhs. And the J&K Bank will be the third party which will be conducting the e-auction through a secure and tested portal. We have also laid down the eligibility conditions for participation in the bidding process. The bidder should not be below the age of 21 years. The bidder should be a domicile of UT of Jammu and Kashmir. The bidder should have immovable property in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir equal to 100% of the bid value, and he will produce a property certificate to this effect. The bidder should not be convicted of any non-bailable offence in any criminal court. The bidder should not be convicted or reasonably suspected of committing or conniving at the commission of any non-bailable offence under the Excise Act or Opium Act or Dangerous Drugs Act, and bidder should not be a defaulter of the State Taxes Department and under various acts. One individual can apply for more than one vents, locations, but only one location will be allotted to one bidder. If he applies for 3 or 4 locations and his bid is highest for a particular location, he will be allotted that vent. The other vents will go to other persons. So one person can be allotted only one vent JKEL2 license. Then we have also specified the timelines in which the process would be completed. For example, the highest bidder has to deposit money in a given time frame. 50% of that has to be deposited within 5 working days, and then the bidder will apply for clearance of the premises from the district magistrate within 5 working days, and license will be issued. This district magistrate shall convey the clearance or otherwise within a period of 15 days. In case highest bidder, H1 bidder, fails to deposit the bid amount within the stipulated time, then the offer will be made to the second highest bidder, H2, but he has to match the rate of the H1 bidder. And to encourage local production and facilitate export, we are exempting export duty on liquor in the policy 2022-23, and we are also controlling distillation, illegal distillation, and provide a regulated legitimate drink to the consumer in the unserved and underserved areas. And for your kind information, I would like to place some facts before you. In 2020-21, the excise revenue that was generated in J&K was 1350 crores. And this year in 2021-22, we are expecting an excise revenue of 1500 crores. And next year, we are expecting a revenue of 1600 crores. So these are the brief points I wanted to make clear to you.